Welcome to Boutique D Design World. I am Dibuki Basu, coming with my again a new video, which is on pure hand batik on pure cotton material. Cotton means this is handloom cotton. Okay, it's very summer cool material, very friendly with summer, and home wash, hand wash shadi completely. So before going to start my show, I will share my, already you have known my contact details. My contact number is 916386063, which is, this is also the my WhatsApp number. And my boutique situated at 51/1 Jaduna Tukil Road, Paschim Putiari, Kolkata 41, near Netaji Metro Station in Khudghat area, which is in actually in Tollygunj area. Okay, so please, if you want to come in my store, so you can come on Monday to Saturday between 11 to 8 p.m. Okay, and please book the sari and take a screenshot of this sari and send it to my WhatsApp number to 9163860633 this number, and through courier you will receive your sari, and through bank transfer and the Google Pay you can make payment. Okay, so let's start to see the sari. Okay, my first sari is, these are very soft material, and as this is a pure cotton, this is not the cotton normal, this is a cotton handloom, okay, which is, you can say, like khadi cotton type. Okay, and very soft. This is my first sari. This is a pallu, and this is a whole body, comes like this, different shades, chrome yellow and brown and black. Yes, these are all hand batik. Okay, these all are the hand painted. Okay, and this is the upper yoke, small border, and border this kind of design have done. Okay, and this is a pleats come like this. This is a pleats. Okay, and this is a whole sari look like this. Okay. And this is a blouse piece. So take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number for booking. And also I want to share with you, this price is 2050, 2050. Okay, only 2050. It's a very budget sari and very comfortable. And I am thank to you all. I got through my videos, I got overwhelming responses from you people. Thank you so much for supporting me. And please visit my Facebook page as Boutique D Design, and my YouTube channel also. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my video to get updated from Boutique D Design. Okay, now this is my second sari. This is a palla. Okay, these all are the hand batik. These all designs are in the hand batik. Okay. This is a pink and purple shades, the dual tone, and this is the upper yoke border. This is a green small border upper yoke, and this lower yoke border is white small border. On that in crack the batik have done. Okay, and pleats will come like this. This is a pleats. Okay, and this is a whole sari look like this. So beautiful, soft design, soft color, pastel shades. Okay, the price is 2050. uh, take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number 9163860633. Okay. This is the next saree. This is a palla. It's very beautiful color shades, dual tone. Is a blue and green, Rama green and emerald green and blue shades. Okay, it's very elegant piece. This is the upper yoke in white border, and the green is lower yoke border. Okay, this is a whole saree, and if you pleats like this. This is a full saree look like this. For gifting purpose, for regular wear purpose, you can pick up this saree. Okay. Only range is 2050. This is a blouse piece. You can make a blouse from me, and I have also the ready blouses. If you want to wear different kind of blouses, you can just ping me in my WhatsApp number, and you can if you purchase a sari from here, you can false pico will be done by us, the extra charges for that. This is a pallu, next sari. This is a pallu, okay, and this is a whole body. This is a pink and light brown color, I can say, the dual tone. This is a border, upper yoke border, small green border, and the lower yoke and white border, small light borders. These pieces are very elegant, sober, decent for the regular wear purpose. You can wash it. This is a home wash and hand wash saree. You can wash any way you can wash it. As this is cotton batik, you can wash it as you want. This is a whole saree look like this. Price 2050. Okay. Next saree is also in a cotton handloom, but this is texture is somewhat different. This is a checks, self checks texture. Okay. This is a palla of this saree. This is a brown color design, brown color, and this is a onion pink, light onion pink on upper portion, and the corner to corner this design have gone, and this is a oldie design, kind of oldie folk design have done on this, and this is the checks. See the checks, self checks, different textures. Okay. So this is a whole saree look like this, and pleats will come like this. This is a pleats, and this is a palla. So whole saree look like this. Price 2050. This is a blouse piece of this saree. Okay. The next saree is a geometry design, box designs. This is a very famous design. This is a palla, and the whole body is like this. This is a pink shade, pink, and again the brown, light brown shades. The dual tone has come. It's very unusual shades actually. I cannot properly explain. So this is the upper yoke boxes and lower yoke. The same boxes have gone, and this is a pleats. This is a pleat part, okay, and this is a whole saree look like this. Okay. If you like my video, please share, like, and comment on my video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get update on boutique design. Okay. Price 2050. All sari price, today's episode, all sari price is 2050 only. Through net banking and Google Pay you can pay, make payment, and through courier you will receive your sari. This is my next sari. This is in golden brown, golden and no. This is actually brown and golden shades. This is a whole body. It's very beautiful design. This is the upper yoke, little bit of thinner, and the lower yoke, little bit of broader border, and pleats will come like this. This is a pleat. This is a pleats. Okay. And the blouse piece. This is a blouse piece. Okay. Take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number. And you can call me also for any query, any requirement. You can call me and check it out. This is again a different kind of textured cotton. Okay. This is also in between. There is a stripe is there, the self stripe. I don't know whether in camera you can see, but when you received it, if you touch it, then you can feel the texture. So this is a palla, the maroon shade. Okay, and the flower motif there in multicolor, red, green, and brown shades. And this is a whole body, and this is a body come like this in biscuit color tone, the beige color tone. Okay, and upper yoke and lower yoke come like this design. This is a patli pallu sari. Pleats will come like this. This is a brown, the maroon portion. Pleats come like this. This is a pleats. Okay, and this is a pallu. So whole sari will look like this kind of. This is a blouse piece. This is a self stripe blouse piece. Okay, you can see the self stripe. This is a self stripe blouse piece. Price 2050. This is a coping blue color. This is some geometry design. This is a palla of the sari, geometry design, temple design, and this is a whole body. Upper yoke comes like this small border, and lower yoke some broad border. And this red piping is there, which is in hand woven, red and golden color piping, which is thread piping, not the zari weaves. So this is a pleats comes. This is a pleats. This is a whole sari look like this. Take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number 9163860633. This is a blouse piece of this sari. And hand this design will come. Okay. This episode my last sari. It's very beautiful and elegant piece. For gifting purpose also we can thought about this sari. Totally a home wash, hand wash sari, pure hand batik on cotton handloom material, very comfortable material, summer friendly. This is a palla, comes like this exact motif, okay, and the whole body also comes like this single color, solid color. This is a navy blue color, you can say, and the upper yoke comes like this, and lower yoke also. In upper yoke, this green border, small border is there, and lower yoke white border. And this is a whole side. So this is today my episode. I am ending here, and if you like my videos, as you are keeping watching my video, please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and families, near and dear ones, and keep stay well. WhatsApp me at 9163860633 with a screenshot for booking. Bank details I will share with you that time, and Google Pay, you can make payment. Through courier you will receive your salary. So keep watching, stay tuned with the Boutique D Design. Thank you.